Hello guys, and today we are duping um, egg launcher thing for my what? Anyway, yeah, I died. We're doing this with my friend Pete. Big, what are you doing, bro? I don't. Please kill her. Please. Kill her, bro. Bro.
I'm coming.
You better be, dog. Oh my god, scary. So the door is this way. Oh yeah, I'm doing a video. You wanna say hi to YouTube?
Hola, YouTube.
Yeah, he Mexican. He don't speak English. Do you speak English?
No English.
Yeah, he don't speak English.
I definitely don't speak English.
Yeah, no, he doesn't. Yeah, I don't know why he doesn't. I feel like a week ago he was speaking perfect English, but the machine's over here, bro. This is why I don't. This is why you don't do this with a Mexican man.
I have to get the ducky.
Oh, we forgot a key card.
I have to. Freaking monkey! Oh my god.
Bro. I went to itch my nose and it just freaking, bruh. You know what? I ain't finding a new one. Did you find the egg rocket launcher?
Yeah, I have it. Hold on, I gotta go kill Gary.
I'm coming. I'm a little sick, Mott, so yeah. Fastest speed runner, Mott. Fastest, Mott. That world's fastest speed runner, Mott. Yeah. Stupid shit, Mott. Yeah. Whatever, like. Come on, me! Let's do this shit, bruh. Yeah. Oh wait, I can get the key card while I'm up here.
I already have a key card.
Oh my god, bruh.
Come back down.
You think I'm doing? No English. Where the bag at? Where are you at? Go back to the machine. Oh, bruh. Left my bag right
I have to
here.
grab the ducky.
Where's the rocket launcher?
It's in the back.
Oh, okay, cool.
In the back.
Go get the duck. Oh, did you already get the ducks? Cool.
Grab the ducky.
Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god. Alright, bruh. Sorry to be quiet, guys. Bruh. This thing better make me crash, bruh. Alright, actually, no. It was good. Okay. That literally. I turn? Right, don't turn them on, because apparently that will fun. Oh my god, we have like 6 flashlights, 5 now. With 4 highlights. Oh my god, bro.
I might have died trying to get the duckies.
I ain't got no pickaxe, bro. Dude, grab some trash when you're up there. Bro, oh my god.
What do you mean trash? Like flashlights?
Yeah, bro, I ain't got nothing. Nothing, and the bar literally kept going down and up.
What'd you put in there?
Flashlights, what do you think, Bozo?
I grabbed as many flashlights as I could buy.
Cool.
But I don't think it's a lot.
So get your autistic out of here, bro. Thanks to the no, Larry. Bro, get out.
I'm here.
What's up? No, get out of here, scary Larry. You alive?
Here's the flea slots.
Where are you at? Oh.
I'm right here. I have the flu slots.
Alright, well, I think we're good now. Let's go. Here's your... Bro! No! Bro, get... Bro, I'm not about to get diddled by that dude. Alright, cool.
I've already got noodled.
I can tell. Anyway. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Careful, at the nether, square.
The nether. Oh my god, bro.
Come down here, I'm broke.
I'm a parkourist. I can parkour.
Alright, don't just dump the flashlights in.
Help.
Use the parkour instincts. Where you at? Or just give me the flashlights. Give me the
Oh,
flashlights.
flush slots are right here. I have more duckies in my backpack.
We don't need more duckies. Alright, so. Alright.
More duckies.
No, we don't need more duckies, bro.
Keep going.
No, we need like just me. Don't throw that in. Alright, no, we're good. We don't need these. Alright, let's do this. Had a lot of trouble doing this.
Let me put it in.
Okay, yeah, you can put it in. That's what he said.
Put it in.
Okay, that's a lot more.
Oh my god.
I call this one.
This is a tiny one.
I call this one.
Oh, I was gonna call it tiny one.
Oh, I want this one. Actually, you can have this big one. The Nintendo Switch one. We got equal. We'll count them when we get back.
Yeah, we'll count them when we get back.
Here, leave so you don't die and join me, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Here, leave and join, so you don't die. Anyway, you saw the result. I'm gonna get back now. Load. I keep going the wrong way, bro. This game is such a maze. Remember when I came here when the Office update just came out? I went to that weird pool-looking ring that locates ducks in the machine. And I was like, what is this? And then big black Larry man, big black scary Larry. And I was scared because I don't want big black man to kill me, but he killed me. That made me sad. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till he joins back. Alright, hold up, I'm coming. You know, just to make sure. Alright, we're gonna show the viewers the load we got. All the thingy. Oh my god, it's so dark.
Money talk.
Bro, get out with the money talks. Get the bag, dump it out.
Tung tung tung.
Oh my god, bro. I recruited the wrong person, bro.
Crocodilo.
I recruited the wrong person. Alright, come on. We're showing the viewers what we got. So this is what he got. Which
Yeah, we have.
it doesn't look different, but that's because he left and joined back. And then what I got. Yeah.
You got like 5. I got 4.
Here, take that one. I got this one. You know, bad idea. Bad idea.
No. Why would you do that? Yo, money talks.
But yeah, that's what we got. Boing, going.